guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analyzing the crude oil markets. Just before I start today's video, anyone who is watching this video and wants to start receiving my trading signals and copying my own personal trades, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code, which will take you to my website where you can then join my signal team for a very small joining fee of $39.99. But let's start here by looking at the crude oil markets. Now, I want to make you aware that we currently have a buy position open in crude oil over on my signal team. We've had a fantastic year so far. We're up 13.2%. Last month we yielded 9.9%. So if you do want to join my signal team and copy our current crude oil position that we have opened, then scan that QR code and go and sign up for a very small fee of $39.99 because I still have very high expectations for that signal. But crude oil is clearly in a minor uptrend here. We have the MACD line, which is trading above that zero baseline. We continue to create a series of higher lows, and that to me is bullish. Yes, we have come under some pressure this week, but I see it as a buying opportunity. I would definitely take advantage of any weakness here. We had the Fed yesterday, which pretty much gave us a green light that they do recognize that inflation is coming down like a rock, and that will probably lead to a Fed pivot later on this year. Probably, from the next Fed meeting up until June, July, we will probably get that Fed pivot. With that being the case, that's very bullish for crude oil because that then, of course, minimizes the risk of a deep recession. And of course, we all know what recessions do to the price of crude oil. It forces it to tumble probably down towards $30 a barrel and maybe even lower. So that to me is very, very bullish for crude oil. That we had Jerome Powell come out yesterday and sound very dovish. So I do believe that investors will step back into the crude oil markets and they will start to buy this up. I believe that the next target could be around $82.50 a barrel. And if we break above that, that's when we could go a little bit higher up towards $85 a barrel.